Your day is now over, and every digital signal, every unfinished task, and every residual thought must now be left behind at this sanctuary, because your brain cannot perform the critical cellular repair it needs, while it is still processing the noise of the world. So we are here to cross the delta wave bridge together, shifting your consciousness from the rapid static into the slow rhythm of recovery. But first, if you want to know the best posture for visualization or meditation, click on the link in the description. And if you're enjoying this content, please pause the video for a moment, subscribe, and leave a comment before starting the guided visualization. I want you to feel the bed supporting your entire weight, noticing how gravity seems to gently pull you deeper into the mattress. As you take a long, effortless breath in, and as you exhale, feel your brain's temperature cooling. As if a soft indigo curtain is being drawn over your thoughts. The 432 Hz frequency is now slowing down your neural oscillations, guiding you from alpha to theta, and finally, into the profound depth of delta waves, where your body performs its most vital maintenance. Visualize your nervous system like a city at night where the lights are being turned off one by one, leaving only the essential life support systems glowing with a dim, warm light. There is no more need for analysis or productivity. You are simply a biological system returning to its most primal state of rest. Feel a wave of heavy, liquid peace moving from the top of your head, through your eyes, your jaw, and down into your heart, beating in synchronicity with the earth. You are safe, you are protected, and you are now crossing into the realm of deep, restorative sleep, where time ceases to exist. Don't try to stay awake. Simply let go of the bridge and fall into the vast, quiet ocean of your subconscious. Your work is done. Your system is powering down, and the repair has begun. Sleep now. Deep sleep now.